Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious key lime cupcakes requested by Keeping Up with the Griffins. I got y'all, fam. So hit the like on your way in and also hit the subscribe button to consider joining the family. So now let's get into the video. So here go a list of everything you will need so you can take a moment and take a screenshot. Now let's bake. We're going to first start off by sifting our dry ingredients, adding our flour first. Next, we'll be adding our baking powder. And now the salt. Now we'll be adding our butter to the mixer. And we're just going to beat some air into this butter just so it could get nice and airy. Now we're going to be adding our sugar to our butter. Next, we'll be adding our eggs one at a time. Now we'll be adding our vanilla extract. Now we're adding some lime juice, and then now we're going to be adding our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Now we'll be adding the zest of a whole lime, and this is just going to give it that extra lime flavor. So if you haven't tried zesting your fruit in your cupcakes or any type of desserts, I recommend you try it. Now we're going to be adding about a few drops of green food coloring just so it can have that key lime color. And now we're just going to blend everything till it's well incorporated. Now, once you mix your batter, we're going to just go ahead and use a spatula to just make sure everything is mixed in and all the flour is off the edges. So we're going to make 12 cupcakes, but for demo purposes, I'm just going to be showing you guys 6. And we're going to just fill these cups up a little bit, a quarter ways to the top. Now we'll be placing our cupcakes in the oven on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. But in the meantime, let's get started with the frosting. Now for the frosting, we're going to start off with 2 sticks of butter. And since I'm only going to do 6 cupcakes, I'm just going to do 1.5 sticks of butter. Now we're going to just start whisking this butter till it get nice and airy. Now we're going to add a little vanilla extract. Now we're going to be adding our powdered sugar. Now we're going to add some lime juice for the flavor. Now we're going to add a few drops of food coloring in the color green. And last but not least, we're going to be adding some lemon zest. And now we're just going to whisk everything all together till everything is well incorporated and it's nice and green. Once you're done, your icing should look something like this. Nice and creamy. Now once your cupcakes have cooled, I'm going to go ahead and ice them. Now we're going to just add a little lime zest just to the top. And last but not least, we're going to be adding some lime slices to it just to garnish it off and give it that key lime appearance. Thank you so much to the Griffins for recommending this recipe. If you guys have not yet checked out the Griffins channel, I will leave their information down below. Go ahead and check them out and let them know Net sent you. And thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in to another video. And if you guys have any recommendations in the next recipe, please leave it down below. And you never know, it might be the next video. So until the next video, peace. And if you like content like this, please consider checking out this next video.